everyone, this is our escape room instructions. I really need you to pay attention to this video. If you read the instructions already and you're still not sure what to do, I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. Alright, so just going through the directions, it says to open these things. So I'm going to click open this file. It should open up here, and it should download. I click on it, and then it'll open back up. Okay. So then I have that file open. I go back, and I'm going to open this file as well. So, and then the last thing I'm going to do is to click on that website, and I've already done that. All right, so you should have 3 tabs open. The first tab looks like this. Right, talks about what you're going to do. I'm actually going to zoom out just a little bit. Okay. And it'll go into stations and questions. This is where you're going to look for questions. This is the sheet that you're going to help to use for your answers. Obviously, this is a PDF. If you want to print it, go for it. If you don't have a printer, then you're just going to have to write down your answers for each one. So this is how the escape room works. Let me show you. You are going to answer questions. You notice this says Q1, question 1, and you're going to find out which letter it was. Okay. If let's say that you said the answer was A for question 1, so you'll go and you'll write down on question 1 for station 1 that it was A. For question 2, you go through, you find the letter that it was. For question 3, you find the letter that it was. And for question 4, you find the letter that it was. Okay. Notice that they go E, F, G, and then J, K, L, M, and R, S, T, V. Be careful with the letters. So once you have all 4 letters right here, then you can find the codes. Well, how do you find the codes? That's a good question. So once you finish the station, there is a decoder. Right? Let's say that your first answer, you got A, so your first number would be 9. So your first answer was A right here, and your first number is 9. Once you get all 4 numbers for station 1, okay, then you have the code to escape that part of the room. So you're going to go then to the website. You're going to click next. And you'll see here it says station 1. And so down here at the bottom is where you're going to enter your code. Now if I just enter a random number, it won't let me go. I have to have the right code. So if you don't get it right, that means you answered one of the questions wrong and you have to go back. Okay, so this is very straightforward. I try to make this as easy as I can with this video. Again, you're going to answer questions. You're going to find the letters for each one. Once you get the letters for all 4 questions, you're going to find the number for each 4, and you're going to enter that 4-digit code right here. Once you enter it, you click next, and then you go on to station 2. There are 5 total stations. All of the things that you will be going through on here is something that we've gone over in class. So I would expect that you should have no problem with this, and that you should be able to look through your notes if you feel stuck. Okay? When you're done, okay, once you have all 5 stations done, there is a big code that you get at the end. This is the most important step, guys. The very big code that you get at the end is the code that you need to remember. Okay? In the instructions, it says the most important step. Once you finish, there's going to be a quiz under this module. It's going to be called the Escape Room Quiz. You have to type the verification code. If you don't type the verification code, then you don't get credit. Okay? This is the most important part that you need to do is type the verification code in the quiz. If you don't get the code right, I don't know that I can give you credit. So you need to get the code right. All right, work hard, have fun. If you have any questions, ask me in the chat bar. Thank you.